Hey, are you still confused about which CPR indicator to use on TradingView for both today and tomorrow? Be honest. Have you ever added an indicator and your chart ended up looking like this? Too many lines everywhere. S1, S2, R1, R2, mid CPR, blah blah blah. Don't worry. I have faced the same thing too. Hey everyone, this is Iddu and welcome back to optionwave. Let me ask you something. How many CPR indicators have you tested so far? 1, 3, more than 5? Well, I have tested almost every popular one over the last 5 years. And let me tell you, most of them just make your chart look like a spider web. Too much noise, confusing signals, no clarity during live markets. But don't worry, you don't need 10 indicators. You just need the right two. Yes, only two. And both are completely free. One shows clear CPR levels for today, the other shows CPR for tomorrow. And the best part is they are super clean and really easy to use. No extra lines, no messy, no confusion. Just the key levels you actually need for your trades. In this video, I will show you how to add them, how to use them, and why they work so well. All in simple steps. So stay with me till the end. I promise you will thank yourself later. Let's jump right in. Let's make CPR super simple and super powerful. First, why CPR and pivot points actually matter? If you are new to CPR, let me break it down in the easiest way. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range. It helps you to understand if the market is likely to be sideways or trending. Pivot points work like a support and a resistance zones. They give you clues on where price might reverse, bounce, or even break out. That's why they are really helpful in Nifty and Bank Nifty options trading, especially when it comes to finding good entry and exit points. Now let's see how to add these indicators on your chart. Step 1. Add today's CPR plus pivot levels. The first indicator I use is called CPR with pivot points, trade by trend. Let me show you how to add it. In TradingView, click on the indicators at the top. In the search box, type CPR with pivot points. Look for the one trade by trend. Click to add it. Now you can see indicator added on your chart. Let's go to settings tab. Here you can see daily CPR, right? Here we can able to change these colors also. In the styles tab, we can modify the central CPR color as of now with purple. You can see here the color of the central pivot change to purple. We can modify for bottom CPR and top CPR also. If you don't want daily CPR shapes, we can untick this. Okay, let's come to inputs again. Here you can see pivot points like S1, R1, S2, R2 like this for daily, weekly and monthly. This one is daily pivot for S1, R1. This is R1, this is S1. And we can take the weekly S1, R1. You can see here yellow lines, right? We can modify the colors too. Weekly S1, this yellow we can change it to blue, and weekly R1 also. Next we can take the monthly S1 R1. Here you can see gray dotted lines monthly pivots. Okay, if you don't want these price labels, we can untick by this. If you want to hide a status line, we can untick this. And in inputs tab, we can find previous day high, low, and 200 EMA and 20 EMA. As of now, we can take 20 EMA. Here you can see this is 20 EMA. I personally use this for live intraday trading. It gives me all important levels in simple way. Next, we can go for step 2. Add tomorrow CPR levels. The second indicator I use is Tomorrow CPR the Jetin. This is game changer for next day planning. To add this, again click on indicators. In search tab, type CPR price action today and tomorrow. Look for the one the Jetin. Click to add it. You can see here in the chart the indicator is added. This indicator gives you tomorrow CPR calculated from today's data. And let's come to settings tab. Here you can see show tomorrow CPR and show previous day high or low. This dotted lines previous day high, previous day low, and we can find previous day close as well. If you don't want these labels, we can untick this. This indicator tells you if the CPR is narrow or wide. Why that matters? Narrow CPR means high chances of a trending day. Wide CPR means usually a sideways market. This is perfect for building your pre-market analysis even before market opens. Now let's see how I use these two together. Here is my daily routine. I use today's CPR for real-time intraday trades, and I use tomorrow CPR after the market closes to plan my next day's setup. Combining both gives me a complete picture of the market and a serious trading edge. Now let me tell some bonus tip for you. These indicators are super simple, but don't use them alone. Always combine them with price action, post 5 minutes candle behavior, gap up or gap down analysis, reactions near previous day high, previous day low, or CPR levels. That's how we can create high probability trades with confidence. So now you know how to add the best CPR and pivot indicators for both today's trading and tomorrow's planning, and how to use them like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and comment below if you had any troubles by adding these indicators. I reply to every comment. In the next video, I will break down some of my favorite trading setups like WM reversals, gap rejections, CPR breakouts, and more real chart examples. This is Sidhu signing off from OptionWave. Thank you.